Thank you, Amna. Thank you.
Amna, Abdul, and Aima, Amazon, Mayun, please, can you show your projects, please? Project number one, who did it, who doesn't clear it about it. Please, you can check it out and we can discuss about it. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? So starting with Aima,
Yes,
sorry, starting with Amna, did you complete
Who-
your project?
Yes, I completed and I uploaded an assignment folder, but I can show here too.
Okay. Just hold on.
Just just
Yeah, hold on,
okay,
Amna. Abdul,
no problem.
yeah, Abdul, please, if you did it, so can you show me project number one and project number two?
yes, sure.
Morning back, how are you?
Good morning.
This is my project one.
Okay,
Let me just
1 second. Okay, I guess you didn't apply my methods, just like I give you a session about last class that you need to use your head top five and everything so that it looks clean and you need to assume that things, but you directly put it your commands and everything. Yeah, come below. Okay.
I have a question about
Yes, please
this.
ask. Yes, please ask.
Rahman, carry on.
I have a confusion.
You are so slow.
I
Carry
have a
on. Pick
question.
up the pace, please.
I have a I have
Yeah.
a confusion that this command is used for the unique means to ignore the null values. Am I right?
Yeah, basically you are filling your non-unique too. Yeah.
Yes. And can you explain that I have a confusion about this command rating dot drop and
NA.
this command? Yes.
Okay. So this command helps to drop your whatever you have duplicate values. Okay. So through the help of that, you are just dropping out. Just like that, open your data. I will show you data. Okay. In that data, you can check it out that if there is a category, so there are so many of categories, and whatever repeated categories it have, so it is dropping that category whatever duplicate values there. Okay, so there's a variable name that is a year. So in that year, it shows you just like thousands, and after that, when I drop the duplicate one, so it will drop means delete all duplicates and give you a accurate of your variable data. So that's the work of drop NA and drop duplicates.
I know this command is used for to drop duplicates, but this drop NA especially.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so drop NA, when you are writing a drop NA, so in pandas, drop NA means you are removing the rows that contain null values. You are,
Okay.
yeah.
This is my project one.
Okay, so where's in that where you showed your pie chart, where you showed your category and rating data set, category percentage sales, percentage sales, where is it? You didn't show me a. percentage sense of category.
Just a second. This is my highest years. This is my month. This is the brand graph. This is the category graph. This is the least category.
Rahman, with through the help of this, can you you can explain this graph to everyone? Can you explain
Yes.
this graph to anyone? Yeah, so I don't
Yes.
understand. I can't understand. Like I give you examples and everything, and I give you examples of objective in last class. So through the help of that, I can understand through the help of this your presentation. So
Yes. This graph is the explanation of the brand. It means maximum brand or minimum brand. This first command, drop duplicates,
So,
it is used to drop the duplicates from the brand. And this second command is used as a brand and ratings. For example, these are the our brands, and it is
sorry
about
to
the
interrupt,
ratings.
Rahman. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Let's say if I asked you to build some visualization for me, and I'm your manager, and you put in front of me what Harsh is trying to tell you is, can somebody is self-explanatory, this graph. It's very congested. If you look at the bottom, its things are not really, I can't read. You can read because you may have done that, but it's too small or too gested, or what Harish is saying. Can you fix that? Not to explain to him each line. He understand the code, but the only thing is this visualization doesn't work as per outcomes. Is that the confusion, Harsh? Is that the question? Right?
yeah, this is a question that this is not a clear graph. And second thing,
Exactly.
I can't understand the objectives. So when I'm visualizing this graph, like I showed your project, whole sum of project, and I write everything in a clear manner. So
All right. Let's not go back. Yes, what happened last
yeah,
week. So, Rahman, get the command from Harsh. Uh,
yeah.
Use that command. That command will get you the clarity of this graph. That's all. I think you need to use that graph in your notebook. Yeah, maybe
Okay.
Harsh or Smith can chat you. Add that command to make these things very clear. Am I right, Harsh?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
you are right. Yep.
Oh,
Or if you want to
okay, I
go
will.
in detail, you can rewind the videos last week. What Harsh is saying, that he has clearly explained to few of you. So make sure you clean this graph. Otherwise, your code is good. Yeah.
And
Okay, okay. Don't
can
worry.
you show me your second one, second project? Okay, okay,
Yes,
This looks good. Yeah.
I made three pie graphs.
okay,
Mail type. Mail type
okay.
means letters and postcards.
Good.
And this income level, high, medium, low. And this most popular awards.
Rahman, if you don't mind, can you give me the objectives? That what is going on in this first graph? What do you want to try to explain in this?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, explore, first command, explore means zero point 0.3 is means the distance between these three graphs. For example, this is the
No, no,
maximum
not
value
a command.
in this graphs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Carry on, carry on.
This is the maximum value in the graph, so we use zero point 0.3, so it's apparent, so it's appear very large, so it have some distance between them. And zero, this 0 and 0 means there is no distance between them. Then we use the reward column of the credit card, which is equal to this. And then we use this command to count the values. count the values to the totals, and then we drop duplicates from the top from the list around the column. And thus this command is used to plot the graphs, and then we use this axis. This is the name which we suppose
Rahman,
for the graph,
Rahman,
and then we return it this pie graph. We are making the pie graph, so we write pie. This totals is the
Rahman, Rahman,
wh-
just
wh-
just listen me.
yes.
I need to understand the objectives. I don't need to. You don't need to give me a whole sum of code. You just need to give me a objectives of the things. Presentation. That's it.
Yes, this is the pie graph. We made a pie graph for the total popular rewards. Popular rewards. There are three popular rewards in the column. For popular rewards, air mates, cashback, and
Okay.
points. So the value of the air miles are 33.64, which is the highest values, and the second highest value is the cashback, which is 33.35 percentage, and the least value is the 33.01, which is shown in the blue, which is points.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, nice, Rahman.
Thank you. This is the high income level, medium, and low. High income level has the high weightage 50.08, medium income level has 25.14, and the low income level has 24.78 percentage.
Okay. Uh, okay. No, no issues. I got it. Miller type is
Yes.
it? Yep.
Uh,
Okay.
uh, I have uh, I have a question.
Yes. Ask.
This auto PCT.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, what is this meaning? Mean what is the purpose?
See, in auto PCT allows to display the percentage value using string formatting. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
okay,
yeah. So you can just you are just trying to display your percent value. It's a kind of a concept of PCT. Okay. Uh, you are just giving auto PCT to display the accurate or string percentage, just like in your graph you are giving a 50.81%. Okay, so you when you remove the auto PCT, it will not going to appear in your whole pie chart. Okay,
okay,
so yeah, so you are giving a string, that's it.
okay. Thank you,
Yeah, thank you so much. Nice, Reman.
thank you,
Next,
Good job.
thank you, everyone.
Good job, Anand. Excellent. Good work, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Muin,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah,
Show it. All right.
yeah, please. Yeah, can you show it me your two projects, please?
I actually did three.
Okay, you did three projects.
Yeah, I did three. This is the for the last one. The first one was the which year is the best sales year, and then I found that was 2015 was the best year, and this is my code.
Show me your bot. Show me your from your top. I can't see your top. Okay, you just ignore that. Okay, okay, you can.
Yeah.
No issues.
All right. And then the second one, which month did the best sales? I tried to have these in like letter form, but I couldn't figure it out, so I just kept it. And then this is my code. It's just basic, and
Okay.
I did count. You could
Mm-hmm.
also do some. Uh, and then the wait, yeah. And then this is the which brands sell the most. So I did brands and the rating and account sort, and I sorted because I wanted to find which way is like the it's more readable, as you say. And then I did a top 15 basically.
Okay. Nice.
And then I did which category sold the most. I did almost the same code as this one, except the category different. And then yeah, 10 difference. And then this headphone sold the most.
Nice.
And then which brand
Looks like
sold?
looks like Moin is enjoying data analytics. So perfect.
Yeah, thank you.
Irshad, what have you given?
And then
Yeah, no, he's my top star now. Moin is really he's doing great job.
and the last one was
What have
which
you
brand
given?
sold the
Last
I had given him one project, not this Python project, but other project. So anyway, he
which
has a
project?
passion to do the programming. So he is good in Python.
And I did which brand sold the least.
great.
So I did the ascending true, which makes it like we see the least ones, and then I did the top, like the bottom 15, basically.
Okay, nice one.
And then which category sold the least? I did almost the same thing here, except replace the category, and then security and surveillance sold the least. And then okay, let me see if I could show you the 1 second. This one was the second part, I think. Hold up 1 second. This one was the second part, the top customers which order placed, and then this is the what I imported,
Okay.
and then I used the PDC CESV reading, and then I dropped the invoice. I dropped the duplicate of the invoice because it was corrupting the data with the invoice. So I dropped the invoice.
Nice. This is a data wrangling. Okay.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then and then I put data one, like the first question, I put equals to data and then the customer ID because I want to know the which customers like uh place the most orders. So I use count and I use the sort. No, I sorted it, the value, and put the top 10. These are the customers that like place the most orders. Uh and then you will notice in the second one that they're different values
Yeah.
because the amount of spending the different traits from the thing here. I think I use count and
Okay.
then the invoice number, and here I think I used the amount spent and I used the
Mm,
sum.
good.
That's the difference. And then for the third one, this one I what do you call? I searched a little bit more on online and then figured out how to do the top 10 because it was giving me some weird. I'm not. I did top 7 because it was giving me weird answers. So exploded. I would try to do this easier, but I couldn't figure it out. So this is what I did. So England, United Kingdom plays the most. No, hold up. Spend the most. Also, I use the country and the amount to spend. I edited all up and then I sorted the values. So I also define like the top 7 countries, which are like the top 7, which is the top like all of these, and then I use others, which are like this the gray one for the rest of it. So and I use this, and
Okay.
then I
Slicing.
summed it. Yeah, I summed it all up. Summed all this, and then they put it on total, and then I created the top countries and I used Capcom and then to add them all up because I was trying to add them but I couldn't figure out, so I searched it online. I found this command and this command to be really useful. And then
Mm,
I basically put up the chart together with these commands. You, there was the labels and the labels were overlapping each other, so I erased the label.
nice. Through the help of space. Okay.
Yeah. And
Mhm.
then also I removed the font, the numbers with this. And then I was trying to change the fonts to make it bigger or smaller. I use this command,
Okay.
and then I put a legend here, so it'll be easier to read. So this is the commands I use.
No, Mayun, I can understand very clearly that what is your objective and everything. So it is very depth. You did very well job. Yep.
Okay. And you want me to show you my second project, right? The second.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
second project.
yeah, this one I was having look what do you call confusion because I did not know what was like the objective of this one because I think you gave out everything like last class, so I didn't really understand what I was supposed to do.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I was just playing with the values around. That's what I did. So this is the I mean I think this is what you showed last
Yeah.
class. This is exactly the same thing. And then I will, and then this was I think already in it. But what I tried to do is to find a percentage to see is there significant difference between them, so I could make a like a develop a program as you said. But
Mm-hmm.
I didn't notice any significant like difference like what do you call to make a program or something like that. So this one was the I think it was already in there. Yeah, it was in there, and I was just trying to compare like the credit rating with the
Mm-hmm.
income to see if there's any difference in them to make a program. But I couldn't find no difference. Like I couldn't find no like outliers. Basically, I think these are these.
Okay.
I think yeah, this two are the same thing. Yeah. Well, no, no, this is just the percentage. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
the
this is a
percentage.
percentage.
Yeah,
That is the value. This is a percentage. Okay.
this is just the percentage of it. Yeah, as you see, there's like not much difference in the data, so I just ignored it, and then
Mm-hmm.
I used this.
Mm-hmm.
This is like what do you call regression checker, basically regression, and the alpha is zero point 0.5. There was no significant what do you call relationship between the income and the credit rating, so I just ignored it all.
Mm-hmm.
And then I used the income and home ownership,
Mm-hmm.
and there was not much significant what do you call significant difference in them to like what do you call to make a program. So that's what all I did so far.
Okay. Nice. You did a nice job. No worries. I will explain you again of grade one. Okay, no issue. Uh, who is going to next? Firoz, you completed?
Hey, brother. Uh,
Yeah.
I can show you just the project one. The project two, I'll show you tomorrow. Sure.
Yeah, no issue. Just show me your project one. What you did it, just show me so that I can understand you are on a good what pace you have.
Okay, brother. No.
Yep.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. So, let me start. So this is the visualization of the sales by year. So we can see that the most sales we made in 2015, and the less is 2004, I think. Uh, the next graph is the sales shown by month. We can see that the most sales has been made in the first month in January, and the less sales be made in the fourth month.
Okay. Instead of graph, you use a line. Okay.
Yeah, I was just playing with it.
Yeah.
So, we can see the bar chart growth by brand. We
Mm-hmm.
can see that the most sold brand is the Logitech, and the last one is Cooper cases.
Okay.
Here we can see uh, the pie chart by categories. So we can see the less sold one is the security and the surveillance, and the most one are the headphones. So basically,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay, nice job. You did it, but it's little bit messy, I guess. But you playing it, so no
Yeah,
issue. Yeah.
yeah, I was
So
playing with it.
yeah, no issue. Means you did so much of experiments with it, so no issue. But try it when you show a presentation, so be in a objective. So what objectives of your presentation? So that should be understand when we analyze something. Okay.
Okay,
Nice
perfect.
job. Yeah,
Thank
nice job, Firoz.
you.
Uh, who is next one? Avaz, can you show me?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, this is my. It's my project one. You guys see it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can. Yeah, I can.
This is
Okay.
to question 6. I know I didn't have enough time to do project 2. I was having trouble with it, but
What you did it? Okay. No issues, but where's the presentation means you tried to build a job and no issue, but where is the presentation and
the,
everything? Means I can't see it.
the graph, right?
Yeah, graphs and everything, visualization part.
Uh, yeah, I gotta work on the graph part, but this is what I have so far.
Okay, no issue. Do one thing. Just complete by today and show me by tomorrow. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, but do it because it's the last stage of our sessions. After that, we are going to into a little bit of databases. So from SQL and everything, we are going to fetch the data. But you need to understand these concepts. Then only you got a databases from anywhere. You don't understand about where data comes from, but you need to understand what presentation and objectives you want to give at the end. Okay. Okay. Uh, Next, who is going to show me?
Good job, Mohit. Sorry, Rose, good job. Yeah.
Amna,
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 can you show me?
can you show?
Yes.
Amna, you set the bar very high. That's why they're asking you to show because last time you done great job. Oh, there's Ima. Ima is there? Yeah.
It's me, Amna Ishad.
No, I know, but I was just
Oh.
just thinking. There's Ima. Ima is in the call. Yeah.
Yeah. You did
Yeah,
some
so
changes.
this is my first project. I'll show you.
Yes. Mhm.
Amna, Python is bothering you. So Harsh, whenever she learned
I'm
Python,
so sorry. Like
her
my
baby,
kid
her
is with
baby
me, so
is
that's why.
bothering her, and he listened about Python, and he just laughed. So we put her name, put his name Python. Yeah. All right.
So yeah, this is my first project. This way.
Awesome.
Sorry.
Amna.
So I showed you this one like last time,
Last,
but
yeah.
I did the different thing, so that's why I'm showing the other one. So just 1 second. So
Okay.
here, yeah. So
Hmm.
here,
From
Good. Amna.
okay.
in I tried in 2018,
Mm-hmm.
and here the most least in 2015,
Mm-hmm.
and this one renting and counting in ascending order to top had 10,
Okay.
and this was sold the least. I'm sorry.
No issue, no issue. You
No
can carry
problem.
on.
Thank
No
you, Amna.
problem.
Thank you.
No
So
problem. No
the
problem.
You
percentage
guys
rate.
must appreciate Amna. She's working so hard. She, with babies and a lot of things she's doing. Really, really good job, Amna. Yeah.
So this is the percentage in a pie chart,
Okay.
and this is the percentage rating value in ascending top had 10, and this is my conclusion. The whole what I did.
Can
Okay,
you read out?
nice job. Uh,
Um,
So, like 2015 is the best sale, and month January is the best sale, like month of January. And brand is a Boss and Logitech, and the most sold brand is headphone, and the least one is Dora Gadget, and the most least one is the security and the surveillance. This all my conclusion. What I did the in this project.
nice job. Can you show me another one? That credit card analysis. Yes, this is one. This you
Sure.
did it in a way of
Yeah.
whole manner. Yeah.
Yes. This is my credit card. I have no too much to do this one, but I tried in a different way.
Mm-hmm.
So the I slicing here 20 to 30 columns.
Okay. Instead of doing a head, you just slice it out. Okay.
Yes, and the other one I tried head here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I have one question, Harsh. What is a GG plot? What is that mean?
Okay. So it's a kind of plot. Basically, it's a style of using your graph. Okay. So basically, it comes under the presentation of pie chart and everything. It's a detail of pie chart. So I will give you some references and documentation. So there is ggplot2, ggplot. So what ggplot did, it's an give you a geometric to build an pie charts. It's a trick. Just like you have a, column number 2 and column number 1. So you are just presenting the things. Okay, I am giving you documentations of everything. Okay, like ggplot 2, it's a style basically. Okay, so just like
Okay.
a pie is a style, in that when you are just giving certain ggplots, so it's a styling of giving access of detailed one, means you can present in a different colors or giving a gaps and everything. So it's a detail of graph. So I will give you one pie chart documentation. So in that you will got to know that what kind of styles you can use. It's just an style of plotting. Yes.
Okay. And Harsh, another question. Why are we using person symbol here in front of matplotlib
It's not a percent. It's a module. Okay.
module? Okay.
Yeah. So it's a module. Module basically did and completing your inlining package in your matplot. So what it's doing to, it's allowing to interact with your plots directly to the notebook. So if you want to zoom, if you want to pan, and if you want to save in a some shell, so in that presentation you can do it. Just like there is your doing a percent, so you can zoom and you can build your effect, right? So through the help of module matplotlib inline, you can build your uh, gap in between of project, and you are zooming that bigger one. So that's module matplotlib inline. It's a visualization way.
So I'm using this one. So it comes here.
Yeah.
Like what is the function of this one? I'm just asking this one.
Basically you are zooming, panning, and you have a graph, right? So you have a graph. In that graph you are just giving some commands like zoom that thing, or pan this thing, or shift one part of the pie chart there here. So like that you can do with your matplotlib inline. So I will give you a whole thing. It's come under ggplot styling. So I will give you this. Okay, so you can understand whole concept of ggplot and matplotlib inline.
Okay. So if we're using module here, then why are using explore? Like if we already
Yeah.
have a like for the zooming this one, then why are using this one?
Because you are giving some values that what distance you want to explode in between. It's a parameter. You are setting a parameter in explode.
Okay, I got you.
How you will set the parameter in. If I will say that give a gap at least when it's
Mhm.
bigger, so how you will set your parameter? So there's a lot of parameters in matplotlib inline module, matplotlib inline. So in that you are using style, in that style you are using a ggplot. In that ggplot you are giving a parameters of zooming, panning, and everything. So I will give you the thing. I just give you a brief and introduce of this graph, and in detail, in depth, I will give you a documentation so that you can check it out. I will give you in a group, so no worries.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
thank you. So here I tried the like income high, low, and medium.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I tried to make a bar this one, but I couldn't do it. It doesn't come through, so I just did this one.
Okay.
So
Right, good job, Amna.
here I made the balance by reward, like how much is total balance.
Mm-hmm.
Use different graph. Okay.
Okay, and here I describe my whole data in the
Mm-hmm.
CVS file, what I have,
Okay.
and is non-unique value, and is null value.
Okay. Nice.
So that's it.
One,
Where's the
one, one quick suggestion, Harsh.
yes?
Most of the students is actually just using the command drops, right? Dropping, right? The null
Mm-hmm.
values, the column.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't be using one additional command to find out the missing value first, and then we'll drop them. Like you know, ISNA, right?
Yes.
Yeah. If we can add that command before dropping values in the column. I
Mm-hmm.
think that will be helpful to identify what are the missing values for each column, and then we can drop them.
Okay, so I will show in the data, and after that data, I will show the drop any and duplicate drops, so they
Yeah.
will got to know. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
So that's all from my side.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Amna,
and nice job.
uh,
Nice.
just one thing. Just one thing. I just want to say, Amna, can you share your screen once? Just share your screen once. Before the next presenter comes, I'll just say one thing, which is very important for everybody. Just Amna, share your screen once. Go to that project. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Amna, are
What's
you
your
sharing your
question?
screen?
Mm.
Amna, anybody,
Yes,
anybody
yes,
can share the
yes, I'm
screen. I
sure.
just want to see.
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah. Just see the second project. Just go to the top of the project. Yeah. So you started with the code, right? Over here.
Yes,
So always make sure when you are doing any project, right? Just make sure you write heading of that project and write the objectives of that project. Okay. Apart from this, everything is very nice, very systematic. Just we want to write objective and conclusion at the end. What we are concluding from that object, from that project, like it was done for the first project you did, right? This also
yes, yes, you're right.
this project also will conclude in something. Make sure you are writing the conclusion of the project. Objective and conclusion is very important. It helps you in interviews as well.
Okay,
Now, yeah,
okay.
Harsh, you can move on now.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you
I
so much, Amna.
think
A nice job.
Ima is there. Ima, did you want to share or you want to go next week?
I can
Yeah.
share.
Let's get the inputs if anything.
Mhm.
So this is the electronics project. In which year were the most sales realized? It's 2015. It's top 10 brands. Category
Okay.
by percentage. Highest sales in 2017 by brand. Highest sales in 2018 by brand. Which category had the least and most sales? Headphones and security and surveillance. And which brand had the least and most sales? It's a Logitech and this one.
Nice.
Awesome.
And
Awesome.
Very nice.
awesome.
And for the credit card project, I just copied and pasted their code in here. And then the new thing that I did was this one where I just tried to see like the mean average balance and the offer acceptance rate for each reward program. So here's the reward program: air miles, number of customers, mean average balance, and offer acceptance rate. And I found that air miles had a much higher offer acceptance rate than the others. See, it's 5.9, 3.4, air miles is 7.6.
Nice job, Aima. Okay. Can you come up to top? Uh, top at the top. Yeah. So you didn't write any kind of objectives and anything
Oh, okay.
about project. Please write it down and rest.
Mhm.
It's looking good. Yes.
Right with hash, yeah.
So the objective is most like best reward program.
Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, something like that, and then the conclusion. But conclusion will be last, right?
Yeah. So
That's right.
conclusion can be here.
Good job, Aima.
Thank
Very
you.
good job. Excellent.
Nice job, Aima. Okay.
So Irshad, what you have given to these people?
I don't know. They are my
They're just coming flying colors.
all
Ready,
students
ready,
because of
ready
you
for
and Harsh
interview.
are think their skill, not me. You are the one who must get a credit. Harsh, yourself, and the student themselves, because Aima is working very hard. Amna is working very. Everybody is working
Yeah,
hard. Yeah. So I
nice,
just
Ali,
support them
impressive.
only. That's all.
Ali, you are only
Nice
left.
job,
You
Harsh.
want to show it? Thank you.
Ali was actually delayed because of he has to drop his son. I'm not sure whether he is ready for today's to show the project. Maybe we can ask next week to Ali. Harsh.
Okay, no issues. Hello, Ali. Can you hear me?
I was
Okay, I guess. Okay, so I am going to show you these two projects again. Okay. Then we'll do one here on sort of one task. Okay, means there is a questions you need to solve it out, and let's go with the flow now. So here I'm giving you one second. Okay, my screen is visible to you.
Yes.
No.
Okay,
No,
so
no,
and
not yet.
Not right now. No. Before it.
one second, one second. I'm sharing you one more time.
Sorry, a quick announcement. Amna, when you send the YouTube, please on moving on, make it private. Don't make it public. We chit chat a lot with people's names, so I don't want to public hear about all of us here.
Okay,
Just
Shad.
make it
I will.
private and make sure you given email access to every one of the team.
Okay, I will.
Thank you.
Okay, so shall we revise again what we did it now? So see, there is a data set. The data set is coming from CSV file. Okay, it's a CSV format here. So from here we are receiving data. Okay, If you want to check it out, just put it there, double click, and you can check it out directly in Jupyter Lab. So this is your data. Okay, in that data, you are just working to analyze a few points. That is, what is your percentage of uh, percentage of things, and which year you have got a best sales, which year you have a got a best month, uh, which brand sold out very well, and what is least brand sold out. So this kind of question, these things we are getting from the analyzing of our data. Okay, so for we are starting our first thing, that is, first we just fetch our data. After fetching our data, we just analyze the data is working or not. Okay, then we starting analyzing the data. So here we go. So this is our first thing of our data. So that is duplicate, we are dropping and we are wrangling the data. So this is a wrangling work. Okay, just like mean, median, mode to check it out with numbers. And after checking out with numbers, this is a complex number coming out which is not showing good to present. That's why we are coming up with the visualized presentation. Okay, so here is a visualized presentation going on. So distribution of rating here. So finding an answer with the data we have. So here is a distribution of rating. So counting and rating of the data. This is a dependent variable we created out. So what is the dependent variable now? To checking out best year of sales. That is the counting of our how much rating we have. Okay, is from the data. Then the data shows that five ratings, 77 lakh around of count here, sales in 2015. So in 2015, we got a best sales. Okay. And here is a brand sold the most. It is year 2015, and we are sorting the values in a ascending value, and that is coming in a group under the brand and ratings, counts of ratings here. So here is the brand which is most sold out in 2015. That is MPOW. Okay, so MPOW sold the most, followed closely with Bose, while the least sold was El Dohus. It's a brand name. Okay, which said sold out least on 2015. Okay, so through the help of brand and rating of counting, we are figuring out which brand sold the least. Okay, and which brand sold the most. So if you are finding the most one on 2015, so you can check it out in a ascending way, and if you want, so vice versa, so you can check it out in a descending way. Okay, so vice versa, and you can check it out. So like this, you are presenting. Now come to the point. You already know what is going on here because you already did very well. But the main point I want to give you a brief of about sales in the year 2015. If you are checking out with single graph, so you need to understand that you are slicing the, you are just giving a key of the value, and you are just equalizing the year. Okay, now there is a date time index here. In that you are checking out with time stamp, so that you can understand which was the best month of the sales. Okay, now here is your brand name sold the most, and that's it. You did it very well. Now coming to the pie chart, you already did very well, so I am not going to explain this. You can check it out. If you have any doubts, so we'll talk about it. But what is the main point in this? So you missing out, I am just giving you a brief. Okay. So here is a category percentage sales. So there is a group of data. In this group of data, you are performing under the category and ratings of count. Okay, and in the plotting, you are just putting a pie chart. Okay, so in this, through the help of this, you are finding out a percentage which is the highest percentage in pie chart. So computer necessaries have the best brand percentage sales. Okay, because it's a, you can see that it's a bigger of the space here, so that's why larger space it is taking out in the pie chart. So that's why computer series, you can see that category percentage is the highest sales in computer and accessories. Now, like that only you are checking out with brand percentage sales. So ratings of count and brand you are putting out, and here is your ascending falls top head. Okay, if you are not following a top of head, so you will got a messy data. You got to know that why we are using this. And here you are just giving a plot parameter as a spy. Okay, in this you have any doubts, so you can please ask. Do you have any questions in that, or problems during you are doing the experiment with this project? Okay, shall I move to another one? Please guys say yes or no. Hello.
Yes.
No question.
Okay. Okay. So here is the objective of to understand how the customer develop her habits using credit card, and what means there is a objectives of numbers. Okay. So first objective to understand that there is a main goal to understand what kind of reward is going to good. So as we already open our Jupyter lab, so here is the data. Okay, so under this data you have a customer number, you have a offer accepted, reward, mailer type, income level, then bank accounts, then you have overdraft protection, then you have a credit ratings, then you have a credit card held, homes owned, household size, own your home, average balance, Q1 balance, Q2 balance, Q3 balance, and Q4 balance. Okay, so here is the different kinds of reward you have, and different kinds of reward. After that, you are getting a different kinds of ratings, according to the different rewards, just like air miles, then cashback, then points. So this is whole our reward. Then Miller type is what kind of reward gives you a what effect, and depends upon level of income you are getting in reward. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Objective is to understand the what reward in brief, what kind of reward is working out in market, or what kind of reward using by the customer is likable. Okay, and second question is under which is the most usable, or you can say that which is the most sold out of our this revenue reward, or how much balance they are occurring through the help of reward, and what kind of benefits they're lacking it. So we are finding out this thing. So through the help of this data we are finding out these things. So here our credit card analysis, and after that this is your whole package. Okay, for this plot of styles and mat plot in line, I will give you a documentation so that you can easily got to know that in which parameter you can change it out, and according to you you can customize your uh, pie chart and bar graph in a styling in a different style, so that you can make a good presentation in front of your uh, in front of your managers and clients. Okay, so here is there are two hypotheses underlying this study. So the first one is that all customer use a credit card with the same proposits accumulate rewards, whatever the reward is. So we have three kinds of rewards. And the second hypothesis is the second one is the most of customer prefer rewards known as air miles, and we like to develop something special to the kind of public. So air miles is a kind of a reward. Okay, so like this, if public are liking this kind of rewards, so another kind of rewards we got to know change like air miles, so that everyone got some kind of benefits, and customer and more customer can uh, we can build it out in a credit card company. Okay, so there is a some kind of kind of reward can be chosen by customers, and we have three choices, that is air miles, cashback, and points. And our customers are classified by their income level. So this three rewards have different kinds of income level, and who are earning different kinds of income, they getting different kinds of rewards. Okay, so here is a reward number one. Reward number one: air miles, points, and cashback. So for this, we got to know that which one is most popular. So I guess 33.67% air miles is getting more popular, but you can see that it's kind of a similar kind of graphs you are getting out. Okay, means company is going good. So here is a equal axis, and this is a kind of a bar where you are just equalizing the things. And this is the most popular reward, so this is a title, and you are plotting dot show. And if you remove this, you will not appear this graph, so you need to put it out there. And here is this is a independent variable. Reward is an independent variable, and that's why you are getting into a pie chart. Now here is a main customers are medium income level. So you can check it out that air miles are most popular. So of course medium level income can attain air miles. So and more products are designed to them. But this study we had like to that create a new approach. So you can easily seeing that air miles are most popular. So medium income level are occurring this. Okay, and rest there's a balance by reward. So you're checking out balance by reward here. So here's a reward, and what kind of average balance is there, and what reward they are getting. So different rewards have different counting levels here. Okay, in this, do you have any doubt? Can you explain anyone this one? After that, I will give you an explanation and brief what is going on here if you did it. Hello, am I audible to you?
Yes.
So what is going on here?
Sorry, Harsh, what are you asking?
This is a presentation. In that presentation, what is the objective of this presentation? I am asking this.
So you are getting here average balance of reward, like how much total balance of the credit card the people used.
Okay, so what kind of variable is this? This is a dependent variable reward, or this is an independent variable reward? Currently, reward is a dependent variable. So
Hmm.
where reward is depending, this is what? This is
Like
80
this is the
80 lakhs is
balance
still like, yeah, this is a balance, and this is a rewards. Okay,
rewards.
so balance and reward dependent with each other, right? So
Yes.
the higher reward you are getting, the higher balance you are getting, the more reward you are getting. Okay, so conclusion we got this is that when we perform this type of analysis, profile of our the most generating a worthwhile different for our customer. The niche is more loyal customer. Okay, so the whole point is more reward is getting in air miles. Okay, so air miles is the most popular one, and uh, medium level kind of customers are there. Okay, so that's whole conclusion is this in this objectives. In this, you have any doubt while performing this task? So you got any challenges, so you can ask it out. Okay, you all are clear. Okay, I am giving you a quiz. I am giving you a assignment here. Okay, you need to perform it out before going to a next database and database topic, that is MySQL. How we can connect MySQL to Python. before that we need to understand certain things and certain tasks. So I am giving to you a task, and you need to complete it out. Okay. And after that, uh, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. And tomorrow I will give you a three projects for different groups, so you can go in that. Okay, you can check it out with that by tomorrow. So
So guys,
just give me a
we
second.
have filtered out certain interview questions as well. These are something some people get asked in interview. So what we are trying here is we are giving you some list of questions. Just try solving it. This will recap your knowledge. This will make you understand that how much you have understood the data analytics with Python. Okay. This will also will help you to evaluate yourself as well. Okay, the sooner the you that is the reason we are trying to solve certain questions as a form of quiz, we can say. And Harsh will be giving you these questions meanwhile. Yeah, move on to you, Harsh. Okay, thank you.
Sorry, Sumit and Harsh. Very quick one. I'm so sorry to interrupt. Yeah. Can we create a Google Forms for these quiz or for these questions, because we need to consolidate all. This is a very good point you brought, Smith. We can catch some brain from Harsh. What are the questions being asked in this team? Because all these people who are in the call today, particularly, they are ready now to get into the interview stage. So if we can create these questions or quiz by using Google Form and then save into our Google Docs, that would be great, because it, it's not, otherwise we have to consolidate and it's a tedious job. Ima has done a great job
We will give
in
you.
her other class. Yeah. Sumit, can we do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
If you need
Irshad,
to,
we will do. We will give all these questions.
by using Google Form, right?
Yeah, yeah. By using Google
Sumit?
Form, we will do,
Okay.
and we will share it to everybody. Yes, yes, Irshad.
Yeah, we'll get the links into our Google Docs and then save there.
Hmm. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Your
Yeah,
chat.
everyone, you can try solving.
You can start with your solve. There's question number one, question number two, question number three, question number four. Okay, open your Jupyter notebook and start to solving this, and rest we got discussed, because this is a basic interview questions you already asked. So this is a frequent ask interview question in data analysis, so you can try it out. Till 9:30 you have a time. Okay.
Uh, uh, are you sharing the screen? Oh,
No, I already sent it out in Google Meet chat box.
okay. Okay. I am sorry. Yeah. Sure. No worries. I'm just. So
Harsh,
Amna
you
can
can
do
share
so you
your
can share
screen as
this.
well so that people can look into
Yeah, it's better
people can
to
look
if you
into the
can.
screen as well. Just share your screen.
1 second then.
I was fixing my notebook, which I fixed it. Yeah.
Just give me a second, okay? I'm just opening.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay.
Good job.
My screen visible to you?
No.
1 second. Okay. It is visible to everyone, right? So this is question number one, assign task number one, two, three, and four. Okay. Hello everyone, are you there? Hello.
Yes.
How many solved your task? First one is completed.
Yes, I've completed them.
Second,
Yes.
third,
Yes.
till where you completed? Okay, whole you completed, right? Till
Yeah.
fourth, I guess you also completed. Okay. How many left with this task?
I completed.
Okay. Amna and Aima both are completed, right? Rest, what about you? Uh, Abzon, Awaz, you completed. Ali,
I'm
Mion,
solved number two.
okay. Moving, you completed.
No.
Okay, guys, you have enough time to complete this, and I might Amna both complete this, and rest. May I know who completed else who completed this? Muin, Firoz, you completed. I'm audible to you all. Hello.
I'm still on the second one.
Okay, you are still the second one. Okay. I'm giving you our answers. Okay, you can figure it out. And tomorrow I will distribute three projects, different groups. Uh, after this. After this whole SQL one, I will introduce tomorrow as SQL, how we can connect a SQL in Python. And after that,
Yeah. So, Harsh, sorry to interrupt you again. Are we giving this project into different group or individually?
no, individual groups have individual project. We have a three groups, right?
Yes, exactly. That's what I'm referring to. So these
Yeah,
three groups, people know which group they are belongs to. Did we publish those group name, Sumit?
Sumit,
Can
are you
can
there?
someone? Yeah, maybe he dropped. Harsh, can you just take group A, group B, group C, and put the candidate name inside, and ask Smith or yourself to publish, and then assign the topic, project based on the group.
Okay. So Sumit will take care of. No
Okay,
worries about it. Okay.
no problem. Okay.
So he will take care of this grouping thing, and I just manage my whole projects and everything, and whatever going through, we'll discuss it and we'll distribute it. No issues. Okay. So let can anyone give a answers if you don't mind, if you are comfortable? Answer number two, three, and four, because this one is visualized, right? So two, three, and four, please give it out. Yes. So what is the answer of fourth one? It's a data frame, and we need to convert it into pandas data frame with column name, that is name and age. So how we can do this? This is name, this is age. I guess I showed you this thing. So can you tell me the command?
Can I paste it into the chat?
Yeah, no issue.
Okay.
And if you want, I can share my screen if you want to see.
Okay. df equals to pd dot data frame data columns. Okay, this one. Okay, you are sharing me the screen. Let's figure out the screen here. Import pandas. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, nice. This is second, name and age. Okay, means you combine the data frame with columns. Okay, rest, third and fourth. I can't hear you.
Just Harsh, I'm showing.
Yeah, please. Okay, nice. And p dot array, then you figure it out in a data frame. Okay, then you put it out on second one is median. Uh, this to calculate the median of numpy. Okay, you complete this numpy dot median. Great job, great job, Aima. Sorry, you are Amna, right? Great job, Amna.
Yes, it's Amna. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Anyone else want to show this answers? Okay. If you have any
Oh,
doubts,
for the first one?
no, whole. Four, four questions I given to you. If you did it your solution, please tell me. Else, I will give this answers by 10. Sorry, within half an hour after this complete this class. Till then, you can take a break or you can solve this problems. Okay. If you didn't complete till now, Muin, can you show me your screen? If you where you did it.
I did it, but I didn't finish the last one yet.
Okay. First one you completed.
All right, right here. Do you see my
Whatever
screen?
you completed, just show me out so that I can understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the first one, I imported the data, I did, and then I used the plot function, and I used the con, and the x equals year, and then y equals sales. I graphed like this,
Mm-hmm.
and for the second part, I just used this command, and I inputted the datas, and I
Mm-hmm.
got this. And then the fourth one, the array, um, I used the numpy dot mean function. I put the array inside, and I got the mean right here. And then
Okay.
the fourth one, I'm trying to figure it out how to put the name here and the age right here. I'm trying to figure it
You
out
are
right now.
reaching out. Yeah, already reached, but you need to understand that key and values. It's a key and value system. I will show you this answer by within half an hour after this completing the class. Okay, so you
Okay.
can
Yeah.
check your solutions.
Uh,
Harsh,
Yes.
one thing, Irshad was telling that we should have all these questions right in Google Forms. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so can we have all the four questions in Google Forms and along with their answers? So that will be great. We will have one documentation link as well, and that link can be shared in group, so nobody will have that
Okay. No
problem.
issue.
Okay, yeah.
No issue.
Okay,
No issue. No issue. Okay.
okay.
So if you any doubts, so please you can ask. Okay, tomorrow we are going to do with SQL and Python with SQL and data analysis with SQL. So whole thing will going up to the SQL and we'll see out the brief of the database and SQL data analysis. So this is our tomorrow thing. Okay, you all guys, good job. You did your good job. So thank you so much to did this task complete this task and you did a fabulous job. So cheer up for your guys and thank you by my side and if you have any doubt and if you have any questions so please you can ask. You did a great job.
All right. So thank you, Harsh. Do we have any assignment or any project for the next week for
Yeah,
them?
we have I will share it by tomorrow to give one session because
Perfect.
we have a session of
Great.
SQL. Okay.
Sorry, because today is Saturday, so normally we give assignment on Sunday. Perfect.
Yeah.
So you will explain them in the class as well, right? So
Yes, I will
the
explain
thing
all
is
the
going
things
good
in the
now
class.
because they don't have confusions on the chat channels. So if you explain to them very well on Sunday, yeah, after 10 minutes after your class, that's create a lot of create less confusion. Yeah, that's a good Harsh you're doing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ishad.
Please
Thank you so much.
seriously just look into this Google Forms. That's very important. We are all these candidates, including today's candidates. I'm taking them to the next stage to prepare them for the interviews and preparing their profile. That's I'm gonna do next. And I think they showcase really good capability, particularly in Python. I saw that today, and these Google Forms we will explain to them all the questions. So we might have over 100 questions. If you don't mind, just show Amna how to create that, and then she can pick up the work for you, and she can help you to create more question and answer into that one. She just need to know the glimpses of how to create the Google Forms there.
Okay.
Perfect. Guys, anybody has any question for Harsh? Yeah, Harsh and Sumit are very busy. It's a very big festival in India. It's a religious festival. So they are taking this time from that festival. If you guys don't have any question, I let them go and take whatever left over in their festival so they can participate here.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you, Shah.
questions. Thank you, Sumit and Harsh, and enjoy your holiday.
Thanks. Thank you,
Thank you
everybody.
guys.
Bye
Enjoy your
bye. Take
holiday.
care.
Thank you so much, Awaz. Thank you so much, Aima.
Harsh, I
Bye-bye.
just call you for 5-10 minutes on the other chat. Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like to take a break, or you would be okay for
No, no,
five
no,
ten
no.
minutes?
No. Okay for it. Or you can just send me your chat link. I will be there.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, take care. See you tomorrow. Good job, guys. Cheer up and enjoy the weekend. Okay. Don't
Thank you, guys.
think too much. Make sure you enjoy your life also. All right.
Okay, thank you, Rashad. Take care.
Thank you, Aima. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, Main. Thank you.
Thank you, Muin.